Imagine waking up one morning, getting ready for work, checking your phone, and seeing one simple email. You are no longer needed. Not because you failed, not because the company is struggling, but because a machine can now do your job better than you. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now in America. Millions of people are slowly realizing something terrifying. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a replacement. And the scariest part is, nobody knows what the last human job will be. For decades, people believed machines would only replace physical labor. Factory workers, truck drivers, cashiers. But nobody expected AI to come for creative work. Writers, designers, programmers, editors, even engineers. The jobs people once believed were untouchable are now at risk. A few years ago, AI could barely write a sentence. Now, it can write articles, create videos, generate art, build websites, answer customers, and even write computer code within seconds. Tasks that once took humans days now take machines minutes, and companies are noticing. Because AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't complain, it doesn't ask for a salary, and it keeps getting smarter every single day. Across America, massive AI data centers are being built at unbelievable speed. Tech companies are investing billions of dollars into one thing: building the most powerful AI system on Earth. Because whoever wins this race could dominate the future. And while billionaires become richer, millions of workers are quietly becoming more afraid. Because losing a job isn't just about money. For many people, work is identity. It's purpose. It's meaning. People spend their entire lives building careers. Then suddenly, a machine appears and does the same job faster, cheaper, and sometimes even better. And for the first time in history, humans are beginning to ask a terrifying question. What happens when machines outperform humans at almost everything? What happens to society when human skills are no longer valuable? What happens to ambition? To creativity? To human worth? America is already facing rising anxiety, loneliness, and depression. Now imagine millions more people feeling replaceable. Not replaced by another person, replaced by software. This is no longer just a technology story. It's becoming a human story, a survival story. Because humanity has never faced anything like this before. We are no longer competing against nature. We are competing against something we created ourselves. And maybe the strangest part of all is that humans are training the very systems that may one day replace them. Every prompt, every command, every interaction makes AI smarter, faster, more powerful. And while the world celebrates convenience, something deeper may be disappearing. Human connection, real emotion, authenticity. Because maybe the last truly valuable human skill won't be coding, or designing, or driving. Maybe the final human advantage will simply be being human. Empathy, trust, emotion. The things machines still struggle to truly understand. At least, for now. Because every single day, AI becomes more advanced, more intelligent, more human-like. And somewhere, right now, a machine is learning faster than you, working harder than you, improving every second, preparing for a future where humans may no longer be necessary,